Annyeonghaseyo, Chaedamin, D. Shandufni. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. And today, I am unboxing my Ipsy bag for June 2018. I will leave all the information down below about Ipsy in case you want to get your own bag. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is my Ipsy bag. My Ipsy bag looks like this. Mine is yellow and it has 3 shades of yellow. This dark yellow here, you probably can't see it because of the lighting in my camera. This middle shade and then this light shade over here. The back is just plain. It has a yellow zipper and a yellow zipper tag that's in the shape of a heart with Ipsy on it right there. Alright, so this bag here came in several different colors. I believe it came in pink or red and also blue. I was hoping for the red one or that pink one, but I ended up getting this yellow one. Oh, and I forgot. I also have a little string right here that I need to clip off. Alright, so let's get started. I like this bag though. This is a nice size bag and it's a bright color and everything. So let's get started. On the outside of my Ipsy bag, I had this brush from firmabeauty.com. This is what it looks like in the packaging. I believe this is a foundation brush or a blush brush probably. It's super soft. It's dual fiber, as you can see. It's white at the top here and it's brown here. It's got a white handle with this copper or like brown colored barrel. Very pretty, and it says Firma 102. That's the brush that I have. So yeah, this is nice. I think it's for blush, and I love a good brush. You guys know I'm a makeup brush collector. Tools of the trade right here. So yes, I love this. That's awesome. Happy to get a brush. I never have to buy any makeup brushes because I get them all from Ipsy. Alright, so this is what the inside of the Ipsy bag looks like. I'll show it to you first without spilling anything over. It's yellow on the inside too. There's usually a little card in here. And the theme this month is flying colors. So we have the colors of the rainbow because in case you don't know, it is Pride Month. So happy Pride to all of my subscribers and friends and family, whoever's watching this video and you celebrate Pride. Happy Pride Month to you. Have fun and be safe. Here is the back right here, what that looks like. So it's really cool that this month is dedicated to Pride and it's the color of the colors of the rainbow. All right, so let's get started. First things first, I got from Ofra. I have a blush in the color Melon. I could have probably wore this today with the makeup look that I'm wearing. This is really pretty. I have you guys know I don't do swatches. I'm so sorry, but I will show you what this looks like. I have a Z palette that I can put this in. Let me take this out. So that's what the color looks like there. This is really pretty. I like Ofra Cosmetics. Very nice. So yeah, I'm going to put this in my Z palette that I got in my Ricky's Cult Crushes a while ago. So let me put this back in here very, very carefully. So I'm happy to get this blush right here. Next thing we got is, ooh, this is from Benefit Cosmetics. This is the Professional, the Pore Primer. So I got a little sample of that. So that's what the front of that looks like. Here's the back with this little tiny writing on the other side. And let's open her up and see what she looks like. Yep, she is a sample, which looks like this here, the Professional. I don't think I've used a primer from Benefit. I don't think I have. So I'm interested to see how that works out. Next thing I have in here is from Pure Brazilian Miracle. This is their leave-in conditioner with keratin for gorgeous, silky, smooth hair. Color safe, UV protection. So this is a spray leave-in conditioner, which looks like that, and it's kind of like white on the color of it is. Let's see. It smells very good. Ooh, it kind of smells like coconut, and y'all know I love coconut, so this is nice. So a nice little travel leave-in conditioner. I could have used this when I was at in Nebraska for my nephew's wedding. This here is from M Princess, and this is a loose eyeshadow in the color Clay, and this is sealed too. So that's what that looks like there. And the color, you probably can't tell from the inside, but it's this orangey copper color. Very pretty. It's a nice fall color right here. And I believe I got this as a bonus, because when you have an Ipsy subscription, what you can do is you can earn points. And how you earn points is by reviewing the products or having, you know, people, you know, subscribe using your link. So I review products, and that's how I get all of my points. And this is this is sealed. As you can see, it's sealed in there. I don't want to open it, but this right here is a very pretty color. Just trust me when I say it, it's a pretty color. And then last but not least, you guys, I have from Formula 1006. This is a 3-time Sublime 3-in-1 blackhead wash, scrub, and mask. In pink, grapefruit, and jojoba. That's what that looks like. I believe that's 1 ounce. Yep, it's 1 ounces. That's what it looks like. And here is the back right there. And that is everything, you guys, that I got in my Ipsy bag for June. I really like this bag. This is nice. All right, so let's go ahead and recap, okay? So, in Princess, I got the Clay Loose Pigment right there. From Formula 1006, the 3-time Sublime mask, wash, and scrub. Really nice, really nice. I got this Blush and Melon from Ofra Cosmetics. I have the Pure Brazilian Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. I have the Professional Pore Primer. And last but not least, I have this brush from Firma Beauty, the 102 Blush Brush. And that's everything in my Ipsy bag for this month. The theme was flying colors. Let me know what you think, guys. If you get Ipsy, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you got in your bag, what color your bag was, because oftentimes, as you know, everybody gets something different depending on your profile. So it's always cool to watch and see what everybody else got, because 9 times out of 10, it's different from mine. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I want to thank my new and my old subscribers. By the way, if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I am close to 1,000 subscribers. When I reach that threshold, there will be a giveaway. I know what that giveaway is, but I'm not gonna tell you what it is until I reach 1,000. I am on that road. I'm almost there. So again, leave a comment down below, guys. Again, thank you to my new and old subscribers for watching this video. I will talk to you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나